All right, good. Then we did it.
Yeah.
That's a hoedown.
Yeah.
That's a weird hoedown. Get your goggles on. Welcome to the debut episode of Tales from the Attic. I'm Zach Smith, owner of Smith's Pest Management, and I'm going to break down the craziest creepy crawly videos that I can get my hands on. From rats to cockroaches, gophers, you name it, at Smith's we've seen it all. So we'll do some myth busting today too, so get ready. A concerned customer will often call in and say, I hear a lot of ruckus up in my attic and I just don't know what those critters are doing up there. Well, let's take a look and see, because here's what's really going on in your attic. If you hear this noise, you should know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. These rats are going to invite their friends because they're having a good old hoedown. One of the most ultimate, gross, nasty, creepy crawlies of all time has got to be the bed bug. There's nothing more freaky than to think every time you go to sleep, small insects come out from the woodwork and start feeding on your body. If you wake up in the morning with strange bumps and bites all over your body, you may have bed bugs. Now, personally, the first thing I do when I come to a hotel room is not put my suitcase and luggage on the bed, but put it in the bathtub. Now, we know that bed bugs tend to live within 8 to 10 feet of the bed, so we want to inspect the mattress, the seams around the mattress, the headboard, even the electrical outlet openings for the faintest signs of bed bugs or bed bug droppings. If you find signs of bed bugs in your hotel room, march straight down to the front desk, complain and ask that you would like to have a completely different hotel. What does it mean to be eco-conscious? It means that we think about your safety, your pet's safety, and the safety and well-being of the environment. Good science says that we can stop a pest issue without having to turn directly to spraying chemicals. Smith's practices eco-conscious pest control by looking at the problem as a holistic issue and breaking up the disease cycle by eliminating food, harborage, or other favorable conditions. Our goal is to get rid of your pests safely, effectively, and for the long term, not just spray and pray. Now it's time for our fan favorite, the cooking segment. Smith's Pest Management's favorite recipe of the week is? Ratatouille. We love ratatouille. So let's take a look at how a really great Asian fusion version of ratatouille is made. It's important to start off with some really wonderful fresh ingredients. Now here we have duck eggs, fresh lime, and the most important ingredient of all, rice-fed rat. It's important that you clean your rat very carefully, removing parasites, old bits of hair, chunky bones, teeth, toenails, stuff that are really going to turn your guests off. You want to spread your rat carcasses out nice and evenly on the pan. Salt liberally. A little sugar doesn't hurt. More salt. Stir it in real good. It's really important that your guests just can't tell that they're not eating chicken. The hell's this? Okay, we're going to do a breaded ratatouille this week. Start off with some premium cornstarch and 1 giant duck egg. Let's add another duck egg for good measure. We know that good breading starts with lots of duck eggs, so let's do 3. If you can't get duck egg, quail egg will do, ostrich egg. If you're doing a southern version, you can do alligator egg. Mix it up so it looks really gross. When your batter's at the consistency of throw up, you know you're getting pretty close. So one thing we like to do to mask the flavor of dead rat and duck egg is to use a lot of hot pepper, salt, and sugar. Really go nuts with the lime juice. 3 or 4 limes and some mystery oil. I always find it's good to drain your rat in a plastic colander. You really don't want to serve oily rat to your guests. Now, if you can't get yourself a big banana leaf, you can use an old tarp. Grab any various vegetables available to you. Bon appetit. Throw the bones over your shoulder. Your pet dog, pig, goats, wildlife will come clean up. What is that she's wrapping it in? That's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Dolo back. This is a meal for one. All right, folks, well, that's a wrap. This has been Tales from the Attic, Episode 1. I'm Zach Smith, owner of Smith's Pest Management. If you like what you saw, be sure to tune in next time because we've got lots of crazy, creepy, crawly stuff to show you, including tips and tricks and some delicious recipes. Be sure to tap, click, link, swipe, subscribe, share, and tell your friends, because we're going to be on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and the nightly news. So I'm again Zach Smith signing off. Tales from the Attic. Remember, at Smith's Pest Management, the creepy crawlies stop here.